So I took that and cut open that, which is the 10-gallon water heater for my RV. I thought, well, I'd cut it open to see what's inside because, 10 years old. Here's what we get. Just a massive pile of calcium buildup and whatever else it is. It's just nasty. Yep. So that was what was inside. If you're ever curious on what's inside of your water heater, I actually replaced it with a on-demand tankless, and I'll tell you what a game changer. This thing is so nice. If you have an RV, we live full-time in ours, so it's showers every day or every other day, whatever, but it's really nice to have for showers because you can take a half-hour shower without having to turn your water off. We know how old that is. So that's what you get when you cut open your water heater.